Oh, the onions are black. This is my first year growing onions, so this is going to be an adventure for me. Oh, Christ. There's a frog. Oh, ugh. There's a frog in my Christ. Ugh. Oh, this is the hard part. Hi everybody, my name is Anastasia and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. If you're new, come on in and make yourself at home. Here we talk about everything. So one of my favorite things to do every year is to plant just, a little bit of things that we usually use a lot, like tomatoes, peppers, onions, things like that. And this year is no exception. I am in my backyard today trying to grow some vegetables. So come with me as I garden. Hopefully somebody will get inspired to try this hobby. I call it a hobby because sometimes I don't really produce a lot of vegetables, but it's just the process of starting something from scratch, watching the seed grow week by week. It's a hobby and it's fun to do. Luckily, we have an overcast, so the sun is not out today, which is perfect. It's still a little bit chilly. It's not really that cold, but there's a little bit of breeze in the air, so I'm wearing a sweater to garden. But this is the time to do it if you want to get some yield before the next winter come along. So growing sweet peppers, hot peppers, onions, and tomatoes. So these are Better Boy hybrid heirloom tomatoes. I'm soaking the okra seed in water for a couple of days just to get it going before I actually put them in the soil. So that's the plan for the okra, but you see that later. So I am growing in bags and growing bags and pots. Some soil that I got from the commissary on base. So the soil, I was lucky this year. I got them on sale. So I got each bag for $2. So $10 for 5 bags. And that's what I am using. So let's get started. I'm first going to get the bags all settled and then open the soil, pour the soil in, and then the seeds go in. So I buy these bags. I've had them for, this is my third year using these same bags, and I bought them on Amazon 3 years ago, and they still do get the job done. They're not pretty looking, but I don't think gardening is supposed to be, you know you use what you have. The new bags are actually brown, which is probably not a good idea because it's gonna get dirty very fast, and you can tell when it's the black ones are dirty, but you can't tell. But these brown ones might not be the best. I think I bought them because they were on sale, actually. So I got what I got. Oh, this is the hard part. Getting the soil into the bags. It's very heavy. When gardening, don't wear nice clothes because you're going to get dirty. So use old clothes that you don't care about. Like the sweater, the button is broken, but since I'm gardening, I just need something to keep me warm. So that's what I'm wearing. Oh, Christ. There's a frog. Oh, there's a frog in my Christ. Ugh. Yuck. is the third bag. That was the hard part. All the pots and bags are filled now with soil. So now I get to plant my seed. I'm gonna put the sweet peppers in the pots. That's the sweet pepper. Just gonna dig a hole and sprinkle them. Right, that's the sweet peppers. It's done. This is hot. The onions. Oh, the onions are black. This is my first year growing onions, so this is going to be an adventure for me. But they're black seeds. Very interesting. So I'm going to use the brown bags for the onions, so it's a little bit easier to spot. Wow. I did not know onion seeds were black. Onions are in. I'm very interested to see how the onions turns out because, like I said, this is my first time. I usually do peppers and tomatoes because that's what we use most. Well, we do use a lot of onions too, but I've never felt like I can grow them. So this year I decided to try it. So, tomatoes I'm very familiar with. I use them all the time. I grow them all the time. These ones are marbled, as you can see. Just a few. So now we grow the tomatoes. So let me see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think I'm gonna do one bag per. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe two. Two per each bag. Because tomatoes, they turn to grow very big. So I'll give them room. think I might have enough of maybe 3 per bag. Yeah, maybe 3 per bag. Okay, let's go here. And the thing is, not all the seeds are gonna end up, growing. Sometimes I grow and nothing comes out of it. So it's just good to grow a lot and have some grow than just grow a few and then nothing comes out. So, all right, that's it. It's set to rain today, so I'm gonna watch out to see that it rains, hopefully. Um, but I'm gonna water them, give them a little bit of water to get started. Rainwater is best and cheap and free. So, that's it. Okay, guys. So all my seeds are in. So now it's just a waiting game. We're just gonna wait and hopefully we're blessed with, good harvest. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment any gardening tips. I don't know much about gardening. This is just a hobby, like I said. So I do it every year. Sometimes I get a lot of fruit, sometimes I don't. I don't know what I'm doing. It's just fun. So please comment down below if you have any gardening tips or anything that I can do to help me get better fruit, bigger fruit. I will appreciate it so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.